On our channel, we have well over 100 videos covering all sorts of topics. Many are about modifications or improvements we've done to our vehicles. Some are videos of our overland and off-road adventures, gear reviews and DIY projects. We even have a camp cooking and recipe playlist on our channel.
During all this, we try not to take ourselves too seriously though.
We got a cleaner!
So, if this type of content interests you, consider subscribing to our channel. And be sure to click the bell icon to be notified when we upload a new video.
Also, look us up on Facebook and Instagram. We'd love to hear your comments and suggestions and see photos of your adventures.
Welcome to Wanderlost Overland.